Guys, can you see? Who need to involved in my business? Eh? Okay, I'm a Tuesday. Can I get it's not our own. And then crunchy bones. Can you see a gobo? Uncle Chum, and we are able TikTok. Okay, fine with any a lot of drinks. Can you see? So guys, everything is ready. My meat pie is ready. Can you see it? It's called good. Yeah. So over here I have my meat pie, egg roll, and crunchy buns. Is crunching in. So that is it. So I will go on now and tie. Guys, come and see, come and view my meat pie. View my meat pie. View are very well. Take my journey when I'm talking. So that is it. So I will go now and start tying it. So wait, let me do my cellophane. My crunchy boss is for my children. Egg roll is for sale. Meat pie is for sale. I'm wearing the meat pie today. So that is it. See crunchy, see the back. I will still that's why. Guys, can you see? Who need to involved in my business? Eh? Okay, I'm a Tuesday. Can I get it's not our own. And then crunchy buns is our own. So thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, send kiss again. So guys, can you see the egg roll? Feel and well. Can you see? Can you see my labubu?
Yes.
Because you waiting for so guys, we are in picnic.
Check the message.
You can go 20 right back in the mark. Oh, I can wear my track and wear well. I saw good enough for one. Baby, let's see your chance, eh, Uncle? I don't know what you might like. Oh, Dimma. I know I had this so delicious. Good afternoon, sir. Can you see which plantain? Again a day.
Oh, a vlogger.
I won't forget saying William will know Bodo. Netalo. Can you see? People are still coming, oh. People are still coming. You know? Can you see a gobo? Uncle Chum, and we are able TikTok. Okay, fine with any no. A lot of drinks. Can you see?
Can you see?
Can you see? People are still coming. People are still coming. Unado? Do you like it? So guys, I'm making chin chin for our merenda. Just small chin chin. You know? So yummy. You will like it.
Yeah, it.
Take it away. Take it. Okay. This is our 50 cents for my children. I will sell it 50 cents for you people. So that is it. For our lunch. Come on, join us. Pasta with potato. Cotto e mangiare. Via. Come on, join us. Come on, get a